Since Tinubu become the president of Nigeria, Igbos are crying in Lagos, then they cry in Lagos. They are using indirect way collect some of the property Igbos bought in Lagos. Him and the governor of Lagos State, they are collecting Igbos property in Lagos. There was a popular pastor in Yoruba that said it. They called him, meet him in his village against Igbos. He said that he's not in support in this kind of evil. If you people say that we are one Nigeria, then why are you people praying against Igbos? The video is online. Why President Tinubu and the governor of Lagos State, why are they doing this? Tomorrow, you people are talking one Nigeria. They are demolishing the houses, properties in Lagos, and nobody is talking anything about it. Everybody are keeping silent.